Assalamualaikum class 9. Hope you will be good. Today I am going to start unit number 11. Today date is 8/7/2020. It's my 16th lecture and day is Wednesday. The topic is noise in the environment. So we are going to learn about noise pollution and how we have effect on different kind of noises. See the picture. See a loudspeaker is here and an ear is also shown here. So the world is disturbed due to all the things which create noise. Because of noise pollution, the people are suffering from depression. So see the world is also have the face of depression, and we are going to learn about how we can disturb through different kind of noises and how it's become the source of noise pollution. See paragraph number 1. It's on page number 112. Noise pollution is defined as any form of noise that disrupts the normal functioning of life. So we can say anything which disturb our normal function of life or disturb us is नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन. यानी कोई भी चीज़, कोई शोर की आलूदगी, वो आलूदगी है जिससे हमारी ज़िंदगी का जो आम नॉर्मल जो काम है वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाए, तो उसको हम नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन कहेंगे. इफ़ left unchecked, it can have serious impact on mind and body of humans. So it has serious effect on mind and body of humans if it is left unchecked or unmonitored. Unchecked means unmonitored. कि अगर हम इसको बगैर चेक किए, बगैर इसको देखे छोड़ देंगे तो ये हम इंसानों की जिस्मानी और जो जहन है उस पर बहुत ही संगीन नताइज मुरतब करेगी. That is the definition given in paragraph number 1. I have also discussed the difficult meanings. Disturbs mean disturb here. See the difficult words meaning and the answer of question number 1 given in the text. First one, words meaning. Disturbs mean disturb. Unchecked, unmonitored. Question number 1. What is normal function and how is it disrupts? Normal functioning of life is that one who is free of disruptions. कि अगर कोई भी डिस्टर्बेंस से महफूज है, फ्री है, तो वो नॉर्मल फंक्शनिंग ऑफ लाइफ होगी. इट इज़ डिस्टर्ब्ड बाय नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन, और ये नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन की वजह से डिस्टर्ब होगा नॉर्मल फंक्शनिंग. दैट इज़ द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Question number 2. Noise pollution is one of the biggest source of discomfort, stress and nuisance in Pakistan. So what is the biggest source of discomfort? Discomfort means distress, यानी बेसुकूनी, stress दबाव, pressure, and nuisance यानी बेचैनगी, irritation यानी irritation, बेचैनगी और दबाव, और जो डिस्कम्फर्ट है उसका सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ी वजह जो है नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन है इन पाकिस्तान. न्यूसेंस मीन्स इरिटेशन इन अर्बन एरियाज़ एंड बिग सिटीज़. अर्बन मीन्स सिटी, यानी सिटी एरियाज़ में, एंड इन बिग सिटीज़ नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन हैज़ रीच्ड टू अ डेंजरस लेवल. डेंजरस मीन अनसेफ लेवल. सो पीपल आर नॉट सेफ इन बिग सिटीज़ ड्यू टू नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन. शोर की आलूदगी की वजह से जो लोग हैं वो अनसेफ हैं इन सिटी एंड अर्बन एरियाज़. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ सर्वे बाय द पंजाब इन्वायरमेंटल प्रोटेक्शन एजेंसी क्लेम्स दैट द लेवल ऑफ नॉइस इन लाहौर हैज़ रीच 91 decibel, whereas a maximum of 75 decibel is acceptable. So a human can bear 75 decibel maximum noise, but in Lahore it is 91 decibel. That is the unit to measure noise pollution. According to this, it is said that Punjab Environmental Protection Agency claims means maintains the level of noise pollution in Lahore. In Lahore, noise pollution is 91 decibel, and human can bear just 75 decibel maximum. So it has gone above maximum level, यानी 75 जो maximum level है उससे भी ज़्यादा ये लाहौर में शोर की आलूदगी बढ़ चुकी है, 91 डेसिबल हो चुकी है. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ बिकम अनसेफ फॉर ह्यूमन कम्युनिटी, यानी इंसानों के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा unsafe है, it is dangerous for human. This means that the mental and physical health of so many people is already at risk, at danger. So because of this noise pollution, many people's health, mental and physical condition is very bad, and it is on risk because of this noise pollution. See the difficult words meaning of paragraph number 2. Discomfort means distress, stress, pressure. Nuisance means irritation. Urban, city. Dangerous, unsafe. Instance, example. Claim, maintain. Acceptable, bearable. Risk, danger. See paragraph number 3. The major causes of noise pollution in Pakistan are traffic on roads. So they are telling us major cause of noise pollution, यानी अहम वजूहात क्या हैं नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन की. फर्स्ट वन इज़ ट्रैफिक ऑन रोड. सेकंड कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स. कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स मीन्स द साइट्स वेयर आर गोइंग टू बिल्ड समथिंग, यानी जो तामीराती जगह हैं वहाँ पर. केयरलेस यूज़ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक अप्लाइंसेस. अप्लाइंसेस मीन डिवाइसेस. सो वी यूज़ different electronic devices carelessly. And loud speech pattern, and people speak very loudly. That are the major causes of noise pollution, that we have a lot of traffic on road, we have many noises on constructive sites, and we don't care about electronic devices, and we speak very loudly. Our speech patterns are very loud. That's why the noise pollution is spreading in Pakistan. Noise coming from different modes of transport. Modes means of transport, i.e. vehicles, airplanes, ट्रेन्स, शिप्स. सो जो ट्रांसपोर्ट की डिफरेंट ज़राए हैं उनसे के ज़रिए से नॉइस प्रोड्यूस होती है, सच एज व्हीकल्स, गाड़ियों के ज़रिए से, जहाज़ के ज़रिए से, ट्रेन्स एंड बहरी जहाज़ और शिप्स हैं उनके ज़रिए से. प्रूव्स टू बी highly stressful for human communities group of people. So it is very stressful, it gives a pressure on human communities or group of different peoples, and they give stresses in the mind of the people. With the population growth and development in urban areas, the vehicles traffic has also multiplied. So because of the population is growing in cities, that's why the vehicles are also multiplied, the vehicles are also increasing, and the traffic is also increasing on road. This has given rise to noise pollution, and that is the cause of noise pollution, largely in the form of unwarranted honking by drivers. So the drivers are giving horns. Honking means horn, and unwarranted means unjustified. So the drivers are giving horns of their vehicles unjustified, यानी बगैर किसी ज़रूरत के वो गाड़ी के जो हॉर्न्स हैं उनको प्रेस करते हैं, जिसकी वजह से नॉइज़ पोल्यूशन ज़्यादा होती है. बिकॉज द व्हीकल्स आर गोइंग टू बी इंक्रीज, they are going to be multiplied because of the population, and the drivers are not have any civic sense. They are giving horns, unnecessary horns, which create noise pollution. Also the mushroom growth of residential colonies. Mushrooms growth means very much growing of residential colonies, housing colonies near airport and railway stations has exposed residents to permanent and unavoidable source of noise pollution. So what is the reason? Because of the population, there is mushroom growth of residential colonies. बहुत सी हाउसिंग कॉलोनीज़ जो हैं वो बन रही हैं, उनके आबादी ज़्यादा हो रही है. जैसे जैसे आबादी बढ़ रही है, हाउसिंग कॉलोनीज़ या रेजिडेंशियल कॉलोनीज़ एयरपोर्ट और जो रेलवे स्टेशन है उसके करीब जाती जा रही है. इट वाज नॉट अलाउड टू मेक एनी रेजिडेंशियल कॉलोनीज़ नियर रेलवे स्टेशन और नियर airport because of the noise pollution. So the residential colonies are going near to airport and railway stations has exposed residents to permanent and unavoidable mean unescapable source of noise pollution. And because of this, the residents, the persons, the people living near the railway stations and airports, they are bearing necessary noise pollution and they cannot escape from this noise pollution. वो इस noise pollution से जान नहीं छुड़ा सकते because they are living near airports and railway stations. See the difficult meanings given in paragraph number 3. Appliance means devices, modes means communities, group of people, multiplied, increased, immense, huge, unwarranted, unjustified, honking, beep, beep are horns, mushroom means growing, growing rapidly, residential, housing, expose, reveal, and unavoidable, unescapable. See paragraph number 4. Another source of noise pollution in urban area is the work on constructive site. So because of the work on constructive site, तामीराती जो जगह हैं उन पे काम की वजह से in urban areas means in city areas due to more construction, noise pollution is going to be spread. It is another source of noise pollution. Construction work in urban areas is usually slow and time consuming. So all the time construction works, all the construction works is time taking, time consuming, and it takes many time and it is very slow. The use of transport and equipment at construction site, its drilling and पर्सिंग साउंड, पर्सिंग मीन्स शार्प साउंड, ड्रिलिंग मीन्स अनडिस्टर्बिंग साउंड, यानी जो उसकी ग्रिल करने की या जो चीरने की जो आवाज़ें हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स पे, एंड द इक्विपमेंट्स एंड द ट्रांसपोर्ट इज़ कमिंग ऑन दिस साइट्स इज़ मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ नॉइस. Sound is a big source of noise pollution. It not only disturbs the general public but also affects the construction workers by causing mental fatigue. Fatigue means tiredness. So it not only disturbs the general public, the public living near these residential areas, but also the workers who are working on these constructive sites. They have mental fatigue. They are tired. They are mentally tired because of these noises, the constructive noises they are hearing कॉन्टीन्यूसली. सो कंस्ट्रक्टिव साइट्स में या तामीराती जगहों पे ना सिर्फ आवाम यानी जो जनरल पब्लिक है वो डिस्टर्ब होती है, बल्कि जो वर्कर्स हैं जो कंस्ट्रक्टिव साइट पे जो काम कर रहे हैं वो भी इससे मुतासर होते हैं. वो भी जो उनके भी मेंटल फटीग यानी जो दिमागी थकावट का बाइस बनते हैं. नॉइस पोल्यूशन. टिल हियर आई एम गिविंग यू द वर्क आई हैव कवर्ड फर्स्ट 4 paragraphs. See another question given in your text. Identify topic sentence, supporting sentence and concluding sentence of paragraphs. So there are 4 paragraphs. They are saying you have to identify topic sentence, supporting details and conclusion. हमने supporting details को भी देखना है. You know what is supporting details. First of all, the first sentence is always in topic sentence and the last sentence is always concluding sentence, and the rest of the sentences given between them is supporting sentences. ये पहले भी डिस्कस हो चुका है. Such as if I say in paragraph number 2, noise pollution is one of the biggest source of discomfort, stress and nuisance in Pakistan. The first sentence is topic sentence. पहला sentence इसमें topic sentence है. यहाँ से in urban areas till here is acceptable. Till here is supporting detail. टॉपिक सेंटेंस की सपोर्टिंग डिटेल्स के लिए रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस हैं. लास्ट सेंटेंस इज़ ऑलवेज कंक्लूडिंग सेंटेंसेस मीन्स दैट द मेंटल एंड फिजिकल health of so many people is already at risk. So it is concluding paragraph. In all the paragraph, first sentence will be the topic sentence, the rest of the sentence will be supporting sentences, and the last sentence, such as in this, also the mushroom growth of residential colonies till last is concluding sentence. In this you have to say another source of noise pollution in urban areas is the work on constructive side. It is topic sentence, the rest of the sentence is supporting sentences, and it is not only disturbs till the last is concluding sentence. I hope you have understand how you will find topic sentence, and supporting sentences and concluding sentence. The rest of the sentences you will try to your own. I want you to read the rest of the chapter and underline all the difficult words so that it will be easy for you to learn. See the difficult words given in paragraph number 4. Grilling means questioning. Pursing, sharp. Fatigue, tiredness. I also want you to learn all of these difficult words meaning and do it on your neat notebook. I love this class.